Okay, then check it for 30 degree. After that, you are checking it for the 60 degree, then 30 degree, then 90 degree. Okay, no need to check it for 60 degree, 30 degree, then 90 degree, then beyond 90 degree means 150 degree, 120 degree. Okay, if it is 180 degree, what will be looking for? So for the R load, RL load, and RLE load. Okay, so for the changing of the firing pulse, what will be the responses? Okay, so one preliminary just discussions will be there in the theory. Okay, but the details discussions will be there in your result section, but the basic theory should be required. That's why that theory, it will take some space, na? And you are preparing the material. That means it's your soft copy, na? So I think it will not be very big problem for basically we have all those references with us. Okay, any of the standard book you can follow. Okay, then another thing that you are making it in the left alignment. Okay, so end of the day, what is important? The presentation is most important. Basically, when you are submitting it, so if it is, you can see like that it is left alignment. Okay, it's not looking fine. Okay, so that's why we need to go for the justifications. Okay, justified manner. So it should not be left alignment and right alignment is justified manner. That is number 2. Number 3, you are using Calibri font. I am, as much as I am knowledge, so I just say you are using Calibri font. So better to write in Times New Roman. Okay, so that's kinds of modifications required for the theory. Achha, then scroll down it. I need to see the procedure. What is the procedure? Ambir?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Please scroll it down. I want to see the procedure.
Is it visible?
No, it is not changing actually. Now it is changing. Procedure, the different necessary components, source, share, ground terminal, circuit, result specification, then transient analysis.
Sir, Ankit told me he completed a simulation for this lab, so he said I have to do for the next lab. The next section.
Okay, you just take and come. Achha, go for the simulation. Okay, procedure is more or less okay. Procedure is important, but okay, it's 5 points is enough. Parameter value. Okay, achha, show me the parameter value. Achha, scroll it down. That all are the parameter values. Scroll it down. Scroll down. Scroll it down. Okay. Scroll down karo, Ambir.
Sir, isn't it visible?
It is properly visible. No problem.
Yes.
Please
sir, I was scrolling it down, but sir, it is actually taking some time to reach it to you.
Delay. I think due to delay.
Yes, sir.
Input wavefrom. Show me that input wavefrom. But circuit diagram is not there, no? How is your circuit diagram?
Like for each RL, RLE, RLC, for each type of load, I have added like here, sir. Next R load, I have added circuit diagram. For RL load, I have added circuit diagram. Like that, I have done.
Okay. Achha, like that. Okay, show me the response.
This is for R load.
R load it will be. R load it will be. Output voltage.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm showing. Sir, these are the source specifications, resistance specifications, SCR specifications, and sir, this is the false specification, sir, and this is the output waveform.
Wait, it is coming. So in output waveform, what you need to include the changing of the firing pulse. Okay, that I am telling you. So in simulation, it is possible. Means you can change it for 0 degree to up to 180 degree. At least 5-6 reading should be there. Okay. That's perfectly coming. Okay, that value, how much value did you measure? Another one thing, Hambir. So end of the day, end of the day we are engineer. Okay, so we have to utilize such that way. So utilization factor should be more than one. Okay, and nearer to one. So if you can see that maximum value is less than 200, so why unnecessary you are taking up to 800? So you just zoom it. Okay,
Yes, sir.
when you are taking the result, you make it up to minus 50 to maybe 250 volt, like that. Okay, so properly visible, no? So we can understand the properly. So how your wavefront is different. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
in same wavefront you can also plot the different firing angle. Okay, so changing of the firing angle, what will be the necessary wavefront? Okay, that you can include in
Yes.
when you are modifying it. Okay, so you have to submit the modified one. Okay, so at that modified version you should include it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, show me for RL. अच्छा, current wavefront.
Yes,
अच्छा, this
current
is for
also.
voltage and current, both are there. अच्छा, both are in phase. What is this?
Sir?
What is it? It is current.
Yes, sir, sir, I have means magnified it too much. That is why it is coming like this.
Okay, अच्छा.
Sir,
I
and
think
this is for RL load. Yes, sir.
RL load, अच्छा. अच्छा, for RL load you can do one thing. Okay, for the RL load, so first you are changing the inductor value. Okay, first fix the firing angle. Okay, first fix the firing angle. It is 30 degree. Okay, maybe 60 degree.
Sir.
Okay, so first fix it at 30 degree or 60 degree. Then you should like that. You are increasing the inductor value from very less value to high value. Okay, and what kinds of changes you have observed, that you can put here. Okay, so what kinds of changes in simulation, it's not the big problem, only changing the value of L, and you have to take the data and you have to from the grapher you have to plot. Okay, and you need to see what kinds of changes you have observed here. Okay, that is point number one. Then where you are getting that moderate values of moderate inductor value means significantly visible, like that one. Okay, here you can see that inductor value, that inductor voltage is coming, negative inductor voltage up to coming minus 150 volt, more or less. Okay, at that value now you are changing the firing angle. Okay, then what will be the changes? So you can see it will be shifted like that, it will be shifted. Then if it is more than 180 degree, what will be the output voltage? Okay, that also been also one good study. Okay, so such that way you can refurnish, or you can refurnish your report, and you also study what kinds of changes you have observed here. Okay, so again you can get some of the logic behind this, why it is coming like that way. Okay, so some discussions also be required. The discussion portion you didn't mention, but after completions of that simulation for individual sections, for R load, RL load and RLE load, after completion of the R load section, you have to discuss about the study. So what you have observed here. Okay, the observation. That's why the heading is given. Simulations means results and discussions. Okay, simulation, results and discussions. Okay, so discussion portion is not there. Okay, that is important. Acha, scroll it down. Scroll down करो, हम भी.
Sir, is it visible now, sir?
हाँ, now it is visible. This is for freewheeling diode.
Yes, sir. This circuit is for freewheeling diode.
अच्छा. अच्छा,
Sir, and it is his.
The negative portion has gone. Okay.
This one for RLE circuit, and its waveform is like this.
RLE, just wait, it is not coming. RL. This is for RLE.
Sir, RL. Yes, sir.
RL ना? अच्छा. RLE, show me that sir, RLE.
This output waveform is for RL.
This is for RLE. No, this is for RL, I think so.
Sir, RL. This is for RL.
How much output voltage is there? How much voltage you have considered?
Sir, 110 volt.
But it should start. Acha, 110 volt, no, it is 15 volt. E value is 15 volt. That's why it is not properly visible.
Yes, sir.
You have to
Yes,
zoom
sir, yes,
it
sir.
so we can see. So make it, if it is 110 volt, so make it at least 50
Yes, sir.
volt or 50%. Then again the changes of the gate pulse. Then we can properly visible, na? So otherwise
Yes, sir.
you can, so 10 volts, I mean very small, 15 volts
Yes,
nearer
sir.
to the zero.
Yes,
So
sir.
that kinds of
Yes,
changes
yes,
you can
yes.
state. In RLE
Yes.
load also some kinds of changes with the different values of E. Okay, so RL is there. So with the different values of E, so what kinds of changes is observed in the output waveform. Okay, with then another study also be there, the changes of the firing pulse. So what kinds of output you can observe. Then finally you have to plot a table. Okay, with the changing of the firing pulse, what will be the output? Okay, for R load, RL load, RLE load. Then you have to draw the graph. Okay, with the varying of the firing pulse, the changes of the voltage. Okay, that is first study. Second, output voltage. Okay, then second study, if you changing the L value, if you changing the L value for RL load, actually I am telling about the study right now, RL load. For the RL load, if you change the value of L, so what kinds of changes you have observed in the output voltage? So draw another waveform, means another graph with the different value, minimum 10 value of L, taking different 10 values of L, and output voltage are there. Okay, now plot. Okay, so in x-axis your L will be there, and y-axis output voltage will be there with the changing of that voltage for the fixed firing pulse. Then you can see what kinds of changes you have observed. In case of RLE load, same kinds of thing. By the changes of the E, what kinds of changes you have observed in the output voltage. Okay, with the different values of E, so what kinds of output voltage are there. So on plotting will be there, first table, then plotting. And for different firing pulse, same kinds of thing also you can observe. Okay, with the different firing pulse for the fixed E, what will be the output voltage of RLE load, and you can plot it. So few tables you need to be added, and few plottings will be there in your revised write-up. Are you getting my point? And individual section for RL, for RL and RLE, individual section, the discussions is important. What kinds of discussion you have observed? Okay, what kinds of results you have observed from the simulation? Okay, and finally the conclusion portion will be there. There will be the distinguishing between R load, RL load, and RLE load. What kinds of finally you can conclude from that study? And end of the report, the references, which books you are following, which software you are using, the reference you have to give. Okay, so what you need to modify, Hambir, the theory portions need to be modified. Okay, please note it down. Okay, so what kinds of modification I am suggesting, please note it down. It's not about you, it's about all the students. Okay, so all the students, those who are not including those results, that's why I'm telling you, just starting with you. So all the students need to modify as per my suggestions. Okay, and you have to submit the report again. Report, you have the modified report you need to submit. Today is Wednesday, so today also some study, also some simulation is discussed by the Ramaprasad sir. Okay, so you have to submit it by Sunday. Okay, Sunday, you have, by Sunday you have to modify it and submit it. Okay, are you getting my point, Hambir?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Okay. Then Khirod. Khirod.
Yes, sir.
Show me your report.
Yes, sir. So is it visible?
Visible. Scroll it down. Again, that modifications is required, Khirod. Theory portion.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I am telling you, I have already told Hambe. Okay, so that means modification theory portion, the circuit diagram, the graph related of the circuit diagram, and the discussions. Okay, little bit discussions. More discussions
Yes,
is
sir.
required in the result section. Okay, that modifications are required. Okay. अच्छा चलो scroll करो. Wait. Please scroll up. Page number 2. Let me see the circuit diagram. Acha. So it is a circuit diagram. Huh?
Yes, sir. So diode is extra, sir. It is not required. This
I mean, speed using diode. Acha. Diode is extra. Okay. Why you put this diode? What is the benefit of this diode? Why are you putting? Means what is the motivation behind putting this diode?
sir, while simulation I did not took the diode. I did not take the diode, but while taking the pictures snipping tool, I took the diode, sir. So that is only the issue, sir. The results are without the diode.
Okay. Actually, can you please zoom it? So I'm not.
So now,
ठीक है but okay ठीक है चलो.
sir, or do I need to zoom more?
हाँ ठीक है चलो scroll करो. Okay, so one thing that now your lines are okay, but your scale you can see it is not so prominent one. So please increase the size of the scale. Okay, so it is 800, 150. That portions are there, na? So if you increase the font size of the axis name, okay, so it will be better.
Sir, it's 200 minus 200 to 200. The axis.
Minus 200 to 200, na? So I am telling you to make it bold like that way. Means fonts, that scale fonts. Okay, not properly visible.
Got it, sir.
Okay. हाँ, scroll करो. Okay, the results is good. ठीक है. Load voltage, load current. Okay, wait. How much current is there? Let me check. Wait. Load voltage is how much voltage is what?
Sir, load voltage is max is 139 around. Hello.
What is it? 139 around, and load resistance. How much value was there?
Sir, 7.5 ohm. Sir, 7.5 ohms. Hello.
Nearer to the 18 or no? How much value is it? Nearer to the 18, na?
Yes, sir. Yes,
20
sir. It's nearer.
is maximum ampere, I think so. 15. Okay, okay, it is properly work.
Yes.
Okay, okay. ठीक है, scroll down करो. But same kinds of thing that I told that I have already discussed with Hambi. Okay, for the result section, so you have to take the with different firing angle, fetch the current magnitude as well as output voltage means maximum values of that. Okay, or you can say like that average value. Okay, basically it's in DC na, so we are much more bothered about the average value. Okay, and the how much average value we are getting. So calculate the average value and the firing angle with the changes of the firing angle, how much output voltage you are unload, RL load and RL load. Okay, then you and the discussion you use the question is not there. That's simulation and discussion. Simulation results and discussion. Are you clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
That kinds of modifications are required. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Show me now.
Sir, RL load.
This is for RL load. Okay. Firing pulse. How much firing pulse? I mean, is how much firing angle?
Sir, 30 degree.
30 degree. Okay.
Yes.
So now changing with the firing angle, you have to check it. Okay. 30 degree, 60 degree, and what is your average voltage? Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir. Sir,
And plot it.
sir, for two firing angles we need to calculate.
No. When you are going to plot one graph, you have to take minimum 5 or 6 reading. So if you are able to take it for 30 degree, then 30, 60, at least 5, 6 readings are there. Na? So otherwise, how to plot the graph? Minimum 6 results, 5 results are required. Okay. So like that, 30, 60, 90. So below 93 reading, above 93 reading, 120, 150, 180. See, here is 30, 60, 90. Total 6 readings are there. Okay, and you just prepare a table. Okay, and with the changing of the firing pulse, what is your output average voltage? Basically, it is DC. So output average voltage and output average current. So now you can plot a graph for R load, RL load, and RLE load. For RLE and RL, another 2 graph will be there. Okay, that will be based on your changing of inductor value. Okay, so you are again changing the inductor value. Inductor value you should okay by the change of what angle. You are taking the firing angle that is significant one, maybe 60 degree, okay, or 90 degree. You are considering the firing angle 60 degree or 90 degree, then 6 inductor values, okay, and see the graph and calculate the output voltage, average output voltage, not the maximum output voltage, average output voltage, and the average output current. Now we plot it. Okay, if you plot it, wait. If you plot it, then what happened? Again, you will get some of the. That means if you have the corresponding inductor value and output voltage. Now you can plot it so you can see if the average voltage is making it fixed, or it is increasing, or it is decreasing. What kinds of natures are there? Okay, and write it in the discussions of that individual section.
Yes.
Like RL load and RL. Okay, Firoz, are you able to understand? Okay, so that kind of study is important. So you can have more idea on it. So as we are working on simulation, so in simulation everything can be happen. Practically, if you go for the same study, it is quite difficult. It's all the time changing of the inductor, so it's not possible. So that's why the simulation. So in simulation, we can study it as a improvise what kind of thing we can understand. Okay, new thing we can observe. So there should be one motivation. Okay. अच्छा हाँ scroll down करो.
Yes.
हाँ okay.
Yes, call me sir.
Khiro, please hold on. Okay, I am just talking to students. Please hold on for 2 minutes.
Yes, sir.
सर गुड मॉर्निंग. हेलो
रामप्रसाद दा 2
सर.
मिनट 2 मिनट. हाँ 2 मिनट रामप्रसाद दा 2 मिनट. हाँ हाँ रामप्रसाद सर.
हाँ सर.
हाँ सर बोलिए. गुड मॉर्निंग.
स्टूडेंट का लास्ट का एक्सपेरिमेंट हुआ कि नहीं, मैं पूछा था. मैं पूछ रहा था.
हाँ कोई कोई तो कर रहा है. स्टूडेंट्स, स्टूडेंट्स हेलो. हाँ
लास्ट का
हाँ कुछ
एक्सपीरियंस हुआ सबका स्टूडेंट्स?
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
only Soumitra is respond.
listen. हाँ, सब ओके. एनीबॉडी किसका नहीं हुआ लास्ट का?
Is there anyone that who didn't able to solve the last experiment? Is there anyone?
सब किए हैं. वेरी गुड.
Hello.
हाँ Soumitra.
Sir, actually everyone has submitted. I have submitted the drive link to you, sir.
But some modifications also required. That I am telling you.
Sir, so do we have to do it again and submit, or we can implement from the next
Modified
experiment?
that as per my suggestion, the modified file you have to submit by coming Sunday. Okay. So we have
Sir,
just
can
started.
we-
Yeah, so some modifications. We have just started the lab. Okay, that's why some modifications are required. Okay. So initially that kinds of modifications, but next experiment then you will be aware about it. So I have also discussed that what kinds of results need to modifications from the if you modifications means you can follow the same pattern for the next experiment. That's why the modifications are okay. हाँ खीरोद हाँ हाँ सौमित्र
Hello.
हाँ सौमित्र tell me.
Yes, I was saying sir, we have already spent 2 weeks on this experiment. So can we change the modifications from the next experiment? Like we have noted all down. So again, everyone has to submit. Another week we'll go on this same experiment.
No, another week will not go. You will submit it by Sunday. Today we are discussing about the another experiment. Okay, so today you have to submit that modified modified report. Okay, result is okay. Modified report on Sunday. Okay, so your week not been spent. Okay, you are going for that on with the flow. There will be no problem. Okay, am I right, Ramaprasad da?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
अच्छा अच्छा ठीक ना अच्छा 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 खीरोद प्लीज कंप्लीट योर पोर्शन.
Yes, sir. So this is for RL load with prevailing diode.
RL load with prevailing diode. Okay.
This is the input
The
voltage.
okay current.
This is load voltage, and this is the load current.
Load current. Okay.
Yes, sir. So then
सर्किट डायग्राम दिखाओ. सर्किट डायग्राम. ओके.
अच्छा. So in this case also we have to check the results for different firing angle and the inductor value. Okay Khirod.
okay, sir.
Okay.
This is for RT load.
Acha, again that thing that you are taking that 100 volt VRMS, but only
Yes.
E value is 3.2. So it is too little, it is not comparable. So at least 50%. Okay,
So
you can do it with the changing of different E. So what will be the output? You can check it also.
Sir, if we take larger values, sir, then the multisim is showing convergence error, sir. I tried for different values, so it is showing convergence error.
Okay, that's why that problem has occurred.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
If you
And
in that case, can you change the inductor value?
sir, for some only the for my case the inductor value, if I change from 0.02 to 0.05, then it is working. If I go beyond that, then it is showing convergence error, sir. There is a issue in the multisim. So I guess
And it's an issue because that in multisim, basically the numerical simulations is not properly done. So some of the limitations also be there for that software. That's
Yes.
why we are going for that MATLAB.
We
Okay.
can change if we do this experiment in the MATLAB, then it would be okay, I guess. If you are asking for the
You can
different firing,
check it. You can cross check it. You can cross check it in MATLAB. There will be no problem. You can do it. No problem.
okay.
But MATLAB only one limitations are there. So from my point of view, that is your in MATLAB that all the diode, ACR, all the things you are using that is generalized. Okay. So from that way you cannot understand. All of you cannot understand which one is power diode, which one is power MOSFET. That kinds of thing we are not able to understand. So that's the problem. Otherwise, it's a very good software, and we all are using MATLAB. Okay.
Sir, then
Sir, can I say something, sir?
हाँ रामाप्रसाद दा, अरे आप ऐसे बोल रहे हो, हाँ बोलिए सर.
So, please allow me to share the screen.
हाँ हाँ हाँ, Kiran, please stop your presentation.
See one simulation, last experiment simulation. I have practiced means when I got free time. So this is our supply voltage AC, and this one is the phase angle converter. So when you are going to search, then you have to go to phase angle converter. This is an see multisim having so many options. You can use pulse generator. So many options are there. So another is phase angle converter was there. This one phase angle converter. This kind of symbol will appear. This is for AC. This is for DC port, and this is the output signal. So that I have taken. Your voltage source given 230 50 Hz, and this is your ACR. That whatever the ACR I have taken, you can take any ACR. And I told you that you can see the waveform by varying variable inductor. So it is better to take variable inductor so that you can adjust the waveform, and as per the accuracy of the waveform you can choose the corresponding inductor value. And I have taken here 5 millihenry resistance 10 ohm RL load, and this is the 5 means 5 written in this node means V5 is the voltage across RL. And you go to analysis. Suppose you don't want to use CRO and go through analysis, go to simulate analysis and transient analysis, then give any time as per your convenience. I have given 0.1 second. So output current through inductor, current through resistor, voltage, supply voltage, that is input voltage source, and voltage across V5 means voltage across RL. That signal I want to identify. Then you go to simulate. Waveforms will get. Now written the name of waveforms. So on select everything, take the screenshot of individual waveforms. This is V. Okay. V means what? Supply voltage V1, that is input AC voltage, and V5 is the voltage across RL. This is the voltage waveform of RL. Then current of resistor 1. Current of resistor 1 means IR. You just amplify this by zooming this. Now this one, you will get the current of resistance, and this another waveform is the load current through inductor. So this is another option I told you. So as you have done using your pulse generator or whatever the signal, that is means multisim having multiple options are there as per the student convenience. Record should not be equal. Your manual means you are saying about manual. No need to use manual, because I already sir has told you the sequence. Already sir has told you aim of the experiment, software used, then your circuit diagram will vary from student to student. Some students they have used pulse signal, some you can use also phase angle controller, some you can use a square wave generator. So many different kind of signal sourcing devices are there. So as per the student convenience, you have to do the circuit diagram. You have to choose the appropriate thyristor. Then whatever the components, whatever the circuit is your independency. Nobody will interfere with your circuit, and as per your circuit, your waveform should depend. So your waveform is depending on circuit. Then after you have to write the theory. What theory you got? Means what theory you know about that, not got. What theory you know about that particular experiment. Then your all parameter setting, then procedure, screenshots of all, like this is the screenshot of phase angle controller. So you have to paste with this phase angle controller, right? In brief description about this source, phase angle controller, this is source, why we have used this component, brief description with screenshot. Brief means 1 or 2 line with screenshot. Then how much resistance inductance value taken, if the value is showing, no need to use screenshot. Then after you write the procedure sequence. Then after go to simulation. Simulation you write the steps. First simulate, then analysis, this step, then transient analysis, then analysis parameter, start time 0, stop time 0.1 second, then output is current through ratio. So these the steps you have to write, steps for simulation. Then after the output result, screenshots of output result one by one. Input voltage waveform, then V5 is your output voltage waveform, then this is current through resistors and this is current through inductor. वो zoom करके उसको modify कर सकते, मीन्स बढ़ा सकते हो. So ऐसे करके उसके बाद रहेगा तुम्हारा conclusion रहेगा. Conclusion में क्या हुआ तुम्हारा conclusion वो लिखोगे. उसका मैनुअल क्या जरूरत है मुझे बताओ. कोई तुमको एक सर्किट बोलेगा और ये मल्टीसिम में कर रहे हो, मल्टीसिम में बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस है, ये क्या मशीन लैब है क्या, सेम मशीन में काम करो तो एक स्पेसिफिकेशन सब में होगा, मैनुअल चाहिए. बोलो सर, आई एम करेक्ट और नॉट, am I correct or not?
हाँ Ramaprasad bhai, you are right. Manual actually we are giving some of the guideline. Okay, so if you follow the guideline, so I think
you write the sequence. You write the sequence. मैं बोल रहा हूँ अगर आप सीक्वेंस लिख दोगे तो उसी सीक्वेंस में लिखो, उसमें स्टूडेंट देखेंगे, उसमें तो हम आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे कौन सा स्टूडेंट अच्छा किया है और उसका रिकॉर्ड हम रेफरेंस रखेंगे यहाँ पे लैब में. जो दूसरा कमिंग स्टूडेंट्स आएंगे तुमको तुम उनका एसेट होगे और तुमको रेफर करके जो अच्छा रिकॉर्ड होता है हम रखते हैं उसको. और सबका अगर कॉपी समान होगा तो बोलो इवैल्यूएशन कैसे होगा सबका. और फिर ये ऑनलाइन क्लासेस है.
And you can do one thing that I have also added some of the portions, all the students that varying that you are using the simulation platform. So there are independence, every independence in your hand. So you can vary like that inductor value, what kinds of changes you can observe. And plot that value.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. And the changing of the firing pulse that you can also include.
Exactly.
That is for your benefit. Okay. So you have some idea on it. So how it is working.
तुम यहाँ पे खुद एनालिसिस कर सकते हो ना. यहाँ पे ये तो मैं तो एनालिसिस में डायरेक्ट कर दिया. यहाँ पे तुम ऑसिलोस्कोप देख के कर सकते हो, है कि नहीं. ऑसिलोस्कोप देख के भी इसका करंट वेवफॉर्म क्या होता है और इसका वोल्टेज वेवफॉर्म क्या होता है वो भी तुम निकाल सकते हो. हाँ, वो भी तुम निकाल सकते हो. वो तो बहुत सारे मेथड्स है इसमें, इसीलिए इसको हम प्रिफर करते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक स्टूडेंट को पता चलेगा हाँ दिक्कत होगा करने में, ये हम मानते हैं. हमको भी खुद दिक्कत हुआ है इसमें. तो ये मानते हैं कि इसमें दिक्कत होगा, थोड़ा परेशान होगा, परेशानी आएगा, कौन सा कंपाउंड ले क्या होगा. अगर वंस तुम इसको खुद एनालाइज करके किए, दैट मीन्स यू हैव डन द एक्सपेरिमेंट online with all knowledge, means you got every knowledge what you have done in the simulation, है ना. तो वो सब चीज रहना चाहिए स्टूडेंट्स. तो ये तुम्हारा वेब फॉर्म आता है. ये यहाँ पे जो आ रहा है हार्मोनिक्स, उसको अगर एनालिसिस में करेगा तो हार्मोनिक्स नहीं आएगा. कोई स्टूडेंट बोले सर ऐसे आ रहा है, ऐसे तो नहीं आना चाहिए, ऐसे नहीं भी आएगा. देखो ये समान आ गया पूरा. देखो यहाँ पे थोड़ा टाइम ज्यादा हो गया था, मैटलैब में ये कोडिंग ऐसे कर देते हैं तो वो दिखेगा नहीं, ऐसे पूरा प्लेन आएगा, उसमें पता नहीं चलेगा कि ये ऐसे देखो, अभी देखो, अब एक देखो ये जो वेव फॉर्म आ रहा है ये अप्रोक्सीमेट परफेक्ट आ रहा है, नीचे वाला ऊपर वाला देखो आ रहा है ना। पहले जो आ रहा था उसमें दिक्कत है, तुम थोड़ा एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा जैसे प्रैक्टिकल तुम करते हो, है ना। ये आ रहा है, अब देखो कि तुम यहाँ पे एक वेरिएबल इंडक्टर देके देख सकते हो इस जगह पे, और यहाँ पे एक वेरिएबल रजिस्टर देके लिख सकते हो। यहाँ पे ऑप्शन है ना, वेरिएबल इंडक्टर, वेरिएबल रजिस्टर। यहाँ पे वेरिएबल रजिस्टर है, तुम रेजिस्टेंस ले सकते हो। सपोज तुम ज्यादा रेजिस्टेंस लिया, सपोज 50 ओम रेजिस्टेंस लिया यहाँ पे, हाँ, ये आर का तुम चेंज कर सकते हो। सपोज यहाँ पे 50 ओम रेजिस्टेंस लो या 100 ओम रेजिस्टेंस लो, 100 ओम रेजिस्टेंस, 100 ओम रेजिस्टेंस विथ इंक्रीमेंट 1%। उसका मतलब अगर 1 दोगे माउस में तो 50% का, इसका मतलब 50 ओम है, ठीक है। अगर 10 ओम दोगे, 10% दोगे तो 10 ओम है। तो यू कैन वैरी द रेजिस्टेंस। यहाँ पे जो कांस्टेंट रेजिस्टेंस लिए हो, इसके जब पे तुम वेरिएबल रेजिस्टेंस लेके उसका रेजिस्टेंस वैरी करो, जैसे प्रैक्टिकल में करते हो स्टूडेंट्स। मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ, सिमुलेशन लैब का मतलब नहीं कॉपी पेस्ट, ये भी एक प्रैक्टिकल है। जैसे तुम प्रैक्टिकल में करते हो हार्डवेयर लैब में, एक रजिस्टर को लेके वैरी करते हो, उसी हिसाब से भी यहाँ पे करो, और सीआरओ में भी वेवफॉर्म देखो, और जब अगर आ रहा है तो एनालिसिस में जाके सिमुलेट करके अच्छा से वेवफॉर्म निकाल दो। अदरवाइज सेम ये में तुम ग्राफर में जाके भी, यहाँ पे ग्राफर में जाके भी सिमुलेट करके भी निकाल सकते हो। अभी ग्राफर में ये भी आ गया है ना। तो सो मेनी ऑप्शंस आर देयर डिपेंडिंग ऑन यू, तुम कैसे करोगे तुम्हारे ऊपर डिपेंड करता है। सबका कॉपी तो समान नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस है। वेरिएबल ये जगह पे तुम रजिस्टर को काट के ये रजिस्टर लगा दो, वेरिएबल रजिस्टर लगा दो। और वहां पे करंट का इंडक्टेंस को कांस्टेंट लिया और रेजिस्टेंस वैरी करोगे तो वेवफॉर्म में क्या जनरेशन होता है। यहाँ पे देखो ऊपर वाला वेवफॉर्म देखो चेंज हो रहा है कि नहीं। देखो ऊपर का ये वाला वेवफॉर्म चेंज हो रहा है, अभी देखो छोटा हुआ, रेजिस्टेंस बढ़ रहा है, मीन्स दैट करंट डिक्रीजिंग। अब यहाँ पे घटेगा तो करंट फिर बढ़ेगा। देखो सिग्नल कौन सा वेवफॉर्म तुमको अच्छा लग रहा है, कौन सा रेजिस्टेंस, उतना रेजिस्टेंस लो। यहाँ पे जरूरत नहीं है कैलकुलेशन की, यहाँ पे वेवफॉर्म से जो आ रहा है उसका रेजिस्टेंस 6 ओम आ रहा है तो 6 ओम लो यहाँ पे। तो ये सब ना, ये सब तुमको करना पड़ेगा। ऐसे ये लैब का मतलब ये तो करना चाहिए, तुम इसीलिए तो लैब करते हो। ऐसा नहीं कि सार सब दे देंगे और तुम कर दो तो हो गया सब। तो ये एक चीज याद रखो, फेज एंगल कंट्रोलर, फेज एंगल कंट्रोलर से ही ये तरह का सिमुलेशन, इस तरह का सिमुलेशन आराम से हो सकता है, ठीक है। ये था मुझे बोलने का, इतना था। अभी मैं स्क्रीन से तो दिस इज an another option for you that you can simulate in the using that phase angle controller. Okay sir.
हाँ ओके।
ओके सर, नेक्स्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट के लिए स्टूडेंट को बोल दीजिए, और क्या बताइए क्या करेंगे। हेलो।
Hello, am I audible? Soumitra?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I hope all of you are able to understand that what kinds of modifications are required for this for this study. Okay. So we can right now we can go for the next topic. Okay. So we have completed up to 2 simulation. Simulation one it was basically based on the diode rectifier. Okay. So with the different load. After that, we have discussed about the half wave rectifier. Okay, half wave control rectifier. Okay, so initially you have to you did it for, I think, diode rectifier, but it was also half wave rectifier. Am I right? Is there any breathe? Is there any full? Is there any full controller? I mean, sorry, is there any sorry, full wave rectifier in case of diode? Did you simulate it, Soumitra?
Fully controlled full wave.
I'm coming, Ramaprasad. Acha, Soumitra, all of you simulate
Yes,
the all of you simulate the diode bridge rectifier?
No, sir.
No. And another, I think, that full wave, full control rectifier. I think these two study you didn't perform. Okay, so it was your assignment. So assignment is like that. You can do the same kinds of load with the R load, RL load, and RLE load for first study for the diode bridge rectifier. Okay, so that means it is totally uncontrolled. But initially we did it for half wave. Half wave means you know that you are having only the control for the first half. Okay, so we are bothered only the first cycle. Okay, second cycle means negative cycle. We are not bothered about it. Okay, so that's why you have to do for the next case. You have to do it for the both of the cycle, first cycle and second cycle. Okay, so that portion you should do it in the hostel. Sorry, you can do it in your house. Okay, the same kinds of study you should perform like that. Title will be same, only just changes will be that full bridge. Okay, sorry, full wave bridge rectifier. Okay, so uncontrolled, it is not full control right now, it is uncontrolled full bridge diode rectifier with R load, RL load, and RLE load. So same process. Objective you know that what you need to write. Then theory portions you can follow any of the standard books like the theory. So for the R load, what kinds of theory? So simple, it will be in phase with your voltage. Okay, then you have to calculate. There is no options for the firing angle. Okay, so you should not check it for the different firing angle. Then RL load with the full bridge uncontrolled diode rectifier. Okay, you know that on what kinds of study you can observe. The same thing you can see in for halfway. So first cycle it was followed, same thing also followed in the second cycle. Like that you can also get the, that is like that appendix type of study. Okay, it is for the initially you did it for the halfway, right now you did it for the full wave. For first you do it for uncontrolled rectifier with R load, RL load, and RLE load. Okay, that results we have to show you. You need to show me in next Wednesday. Okay, so that is your job. And the pending modifications, all kinds of modifications, that from my side, that from the Ramaprasad sir side, all kinds of modification you have to do it again and submit it by coming Sunday night. So there is nothing, a lot of modifications. Only I have been telling about you modifications in the theory portions, circuit diagrams. Okay, the results and discussion. The discussion was missing. Okay, the discussion portions and the tabular discussions. Okay, table is required. Okay, by changing of that firing angle, changing of the inductor, how much you are able to change. Okay, if it is more than convergence, so you are not able to change it. Okay, why it is coming that convergence error? Basically that range, that MATLAB, any kinds of data you are given, so it will simulate. Okay, the error is coming very little, but in case of multi-sim, why that error is coming means it is mismatching. Somehow what happened? Somehow that amount of that due to some simulation, some of the component is burning out. Okay, so as it is burning out, so that's why that error is coming. Practically that kinds of problem you have observed. Okay, that's why it is not coming. Okay, so you can vary that range. Okay, vary that range within the tolerable zone of the switch. Okay, so changing of the firing angle and the changing of the inductor, changing of the E value means back EMF value. So you plot the graph. Okay, put a table. First put a table, then plot a graph. Okay, graph. In the case of graph, you can use the Excel file also. Excel, the grapher is there. You can easily plot that graph. Okay, so and the discussions about it. Finally, the conclusions. Okay, and the reference. I think you will be able to understand that question. You have to complete it by coming Sunday night. Okay, then for the next class. Okay, next class you should do it for the two simulations for first uncontrolled full wave bridge rectifier means diode rectifier and full controlled, not the uncontrolled. Second one is full controlled. Okay, with the full wave bridge rectifier. Okay, or the diode rectifier. So sorry, not diode rectifier, bridge rectifier with the full control switch. Means in case of diode rectifier you are using 4 uncontrolled diodes, means 4 uncontrolled switch. Now you can replace the 4 diode with the SCR. Okay, so what will be the sequence? The pulse sequence. The diagonal switches are there. The diagonal switches having the same pulse sequence. Okay, so both are having the 30 degree. Okay, when it will be fired, and the next one it will be shifted. How much angle it will be shifted? So it will be shifted for the next pulse. Means maybe next pulse means it may be added. First sequence is for 180 degree. So if it is 30 degrees, so next sequence will be 180 plus 30. Okay, so it will be shifted. Then only other two thyristor may work. And at that time, the first thyristor or first switch, it should be off. Okay, so you know that in case of off, so line commutation will be there, so automatically it will be off. Okay, due to the line commutation. So if it is in DC, then what happen? Again, you have to incorporate some commutation circuit. Okay, so you have to reverse current. Basically, it's a latching device. Okay, so you have to give the reverse voltage, means reverse current to turn off the thyristor. Okay, so in this case, it is not required. It is latching device. Automatically, it will be off for the next cycle. Okay, so that's why the second one. Okay, so second one is your study analysis. Okay, analysis of the full bridge. Okay, full bridge control rectified, fully control rectified with different load, R load, RL load, then RLE load. Okay, that kind of study you should perform in your home and submit it by the coming Wednesday. Okay. And what will be the nature of the waveform? Nature of the waveform is simple. That is the repetitions of your first cycle. Same thing you can also see the second cycle. So that's kinds of simulation. And if you have any confusion, so you can follow any of the standard book. Okay, any of the standard books. I am telling you the different books name. But in case of circuit diagram, detailed discussions also required. If you are not following my instruction, again I will give you the repeat. Okay, again I will give you the comments, again I am giving you the suggestions, you have to again refurnish it. So try to giving your best effort for preparing the documentations or preparing your technical write-up. Okay, if I am not convinced with your results, if I am not convinced with your manual, means write-up, technical write-up, so again I can give you the modifications. That time again Soumitra give me the complaint that sir, this is, again you are telling the same thing to suggesting the same thing to do continue for the another week. Okay, so that is my suggestion. So give your best, and you should not give any of the scope. Okay, you should not give any of the scope to tell about to give any kinds of comments on it. Okay, so that I am sure that you will not give me that kinds of scope to me. Okay, so you will do your best. Okay, same kinds of study you also do for the full bridge control rectifier. So changing of the firing pulse. Okay, same thing, same study. Changing of the inductor value. Okay, the tabulations will be there, and the results and discussion is most important. So what you have studied. What that is, if you don't put the discussion, so pasting some of the result is not, it's nothing. It means nothing. Means what you have understand that we are not able to get from your side. That's why I am telling about, write down the discussions in proper manner. If you are not able to write the discussions, then what happens? So we can see like that, arguably you are doing the simulation, but you are not realizing the problem. Hello?
Yes, sir. Audible.
I'm audible, no? Initially, I'm audible. Initially, I was
Yes, sir.
audible.
No,
Yes,
no.
during the five
Previously, sometime you have means no sound
Yeah,
was there.
I have muted my mic and give that instruction. Oh, okay. Sorry, again, I need to repeat it. Okay.
No, only the last 5 seconds you were mute. Other than that, we follow.
Last 5 seconds, I was not audible. But
Yes, before that, you were audible.
okay, so that means I have instructed to do the full bridge control rectifier, okay, with different load, R load, RL load, RLE load, and uncontrolled rectifier with R load, RL load, RLE load. And I also told you the same kinds of study need to be added in the in your discussions portion, like tabulation from by varying the gate pulse, or varying the firing angle, check the output, average output voltage. Okay, so what kinds of voltage you have observed. Okay, with the changing of the firing angle, what kinds of voltage will be there, that you need to note it. Okay, and plot the graph. Another thing, the changing of the parameters like E value and L value. Okay, so what kinds of changes you have observed in your output voltage, means average output voltage. So 3 graphs are required for RLE load. 3 graphs for RL load. I think 2 graphs more than sufficient. Changing of the firing angle and that and the changing of the inductor value and the discussions on it. Plot the graph and discussions. And for the R load, only changing of the firing pulse. Okay. So if you change the value of R, what happened you can also see. Okay. So discussions portion should not be skipped. Okay. Discussions portion is important. Okay. So that kinds of modifications is important, and you can submit it. You can show me in my next class. Okay. Next Wednesday. Okay, so I hope you are able to understand. If you face any kinds of difficulty, you can ask me. Okay, you can also follow any of the standard book. Okay, so all kinds of waveform also be there. After completions of this one, then we can go for the same. Okay, so please do it quickly. Okay, I hope you are able to solve it by coming with. Okay, so Ramaprasad,
Sir,
okay, is there any instruction from your side?
my side is students are here informed to do the experiment as I have done that using thyristor control, how we are controlling the single thyristor. Similarly, you do yourself. Okay, any problem? Next class we'll discuss.
Okay, so are you getting my point, students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, na? So if you have any problem, if you face any problem, so in next class we will discuss on it. I think you should not face any kind of problem. You have already done that single phase. Sorry, for the half wave. Full wave is not the big problem. The selection of the firing pulse I am already told you. If I am not unmuted, so I think you can able to understand. So if it is 30 degrees, so it added with the 180 with the 30 for the another 2 diagonal. So this sequence you can work on it. So there will be no problem. A simple thing. Okay, so just wait for a moment. I want to ask Ankit. Hey Ankit, Anand Raj and Ankit, both of you are audible. Am I audible from your side? Anand Raj and Ankit.
Hello.
Ankit.
Yes, sir.
Do you prepare the paper, question paper?
Yes, sir. It's already half complete. We'll complete in just 15 minutes.
15 minutes. Okay.
Awesome.
So after 15 minutes, within 15 minutes, actually both of them are sharing one link. Okay. So quiz link. So you will be given 5 minutes, and there will be 10 simple MCQ. Okay, 10 simple MCQ. So you have to give the answer on it, and automatically the response will be collected by them, and that will be your day-to-day classwork performance. Okay, so every week 5 minutes on exam will be there based on in Google form. On exam will be there, and day to day your performance have been checked. It is for only 5 minutes. Okay, the timer they will mention, the timer they will given. Okay, so at that time you have to give the answer. Okay, so
5 question or 10 questions, sir?
Hello.
Yes, sir. 10 question or 5 question?
10 question for 5 minutes.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Shuchishmita?
Yes, sir.
Shuchishmita?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you also communicate with Anand Raj and Ankit Anand. Okay, so about the evaluation portions, students, you take the initiative. Okay, so you can follow or you can share the link. Okay, so you three just decide about that evaluation parts, means especially for that Viva Voce like that. Initially in lab we are taking the Viva Voce, but in this situation, so we are not able to take the Viva Voce. So we are every day we will take the exam. Okay, MCQ exam will be there. Okay, so 10 questions for 5 minutes maximum. So the preparations of the question paper, it totally based on your simulation based. Okay, means basically that much they have covered actually, like uncontrolled and uncontrolled half bridge rectifier they have control. Okay, so that portions actually they will give the test, and that link will be you are sending that link in Google form. Based on that link they will give some response, and in response sheet which are the most important portion, name, roll number. Okay, name, roll number and mail ID. These three is mandatory. Name, roll number and email ID. These three are the mandatory, and rest of the questions is based on your question. 10 questions are there. 10 MCQ question, maybe normal questions. Okay, so based on the performance, every day students daily performance will be evaluated. So end of the semester, the percentage of marks will be coming from that side, as well as their as well as their write-up. The Soumitra is already shared me the modified write-up. Again will be shared by the Soumitra, that I am also sharing with sharing with you as well as Ramaprasad sir. Okay, so all of you are getting that. All of you are getting will receive the material. Then we can evaluate. Okay, so throughout actually performance will be evaluated throughout the class. Day to day performance. Okay, it's not like that one day performance. Okay, so it's a day to day performance. Okay, so I think you are getting my point, Sujishmita and Ankit Anand and Anand Raj.
Any question for please?
Okay, so Ramaprasad, can you please take the attendance?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.